Yeah, today I'm going to show the C sharp fundamental for beginners. This is the very basic concept of the C sharp. Here I will show what is the C sharp. Okay, the first is the what is C sharp. The C sharp is a object oriented programming language. It was created by Microsoft in 2002. Current version of C sharp is 14.0 and supported by Microsoft and receive continuous support. C sharp is used for why, like the basic question is why we use the C sharp. The C sharp is used for mobile application. We can use the C sharp in desktop application, either web application, web services, games, and much more. So they are C sharp is a very strong language. So now I'm going to see why should we learn C sharp. It is everywhere more people realize C sharp is not just in business apps anymore. You can build the web APIs like I am showing in the presentation window. We can see in the cloud services, enterprise system, games, desktop applications, mobile apps. Like one language will can be used in many platform, right? Also, it teaches you good programming habits. C sharp is strongly type and language, clean ops concept. Whenever we'll go in the more deeper in the C sharp, we will see all the details of the C sharp, right? You can see C sharp.net has the solid libraries, first class tooling, Visual Studio. It is fast and handles high throughput API extremely well. These are the basic concepts, features of the C sharp. So C sharp language is very much important, and this is lot of jobs stability in the C sharp. Many people making the careers by learning the C sharp. Okay, not only for beginners still solution architects. C sharp support the average stage, and we can use the C sharp in the microservice. This video is only I am going to show you what is the C sharp basic concepts, and in next video I am going to show you how do we install the C sharp. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible, and if you like my video then please like and subscribe. Thank you.